Hello guys, welcome back to my video channel, and today we are gonna be playing what do you say? Oh yeah, we say bro. Yeah, today we are gonna play Dicks to the Earth Core, and let's play it. Oh, what the hell is wrong with me? Yeah, today we are gonna play Dig Through the Earth's Core, and I already have 38.3 million. Yeah, 38.3. Bro, this is so fast. I just grinded. Bro, I wanna beat her. Do it, do it, do it. We got this. We got this. Blood Moon ended. I don't care. Bro, I want the next pickaxe. Get lost. Okay, we have the crystal one. Crystal one is good than rainbow. Wow. Bro, we are so fast. We're already at 1 billion. Oh my days, bro. And let's take that bet. Okay. Bro! VIP top! Bro, my luck! Oh my! My luck is insane. What do we get from this? Magma. Okay, not bad. Magma 2x. Okay, let's do it. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, guys. Guys, look at our speed. Oh my. Employer. Law. Bro. Die here. Where's the option to unlock it? Okay, now we can unlock it. Take this. Astronaut. Okay, not bad. Wait. We found another. Guys, we are finding so many pets. What's this one gonna be? I hope we get a good one. I need good pets right now. Kitty. Okay. Not bad. Guys, we can afford the next future one. Okay, let's auto attack. Oh my gosh. We are so fast. Take this. Wait, stop, auto attack. I think it's, yeah. Oh. But we won't take it. Good best. But Employer was best than Earth. Lol. Take this. Bro, we are so fast. We make 261 million per hit. Oh my. Who's the pro in here? Yeah, I'm pro in here. Bro, we are so fast. Oh my gosh. Wait. Galactic butterfly. Bro, it gives 100 more. Little best. Bro, today our luck is insane, guys. I think you all subscribe, that's why. Subscribe more. What do we get? Cow? Okay. Let's equip best. No, that's the worst. Wait. We found another one. What's this one gonna be? What's this one? I think a comp. Yeah. Guys, bro, my aura. I just said it. Let's take ice pickaxe. Okay, now we are so fast. But we found a pet. Doggy. Another dog. Guys, we are so fast right now. I can't even... No, we don't need it. Take this. Take this. Yeah. We need the lava. Guys, when we make 250 billion, I'm taking this. Take the lava. Guys, look at our speed. Oh my gosh. Bro. We are so fast. Oh my gosh. Bro, look at our speed, bro. We are so fast. I'm taking this pumpkin axe. I want this one. Get lost. OP pet. I don't need you. Okay, Bro, I need that. I need that pet. Bro, I don't know. Lord. Bro, next we take is a new coin. Wait. We found a pet. Wait. Now, stop. Oh my. Bro, with 3 hits to get... I think I found now. Let's continue. Bro, we have the best pets. I found 2 of them. Robots. This is good. Robots, where are you? Bro, where's... No. Let's do more guns. Guys, we are at new queen. Bro, we are so fast right now. Let's go to the next world. Teleport. Okay. Auto dig. Okay guys, we are at next world. And we are still pro. Lol. Now for the thunder pickaxe. Take the thunder pickaxe. Guys, I have a VIP tiger, a galactic butterfly, and a star. Bro, we have all the best pets right now. I think we have those. It's already been 8 minutes and we are so pro right now. I'll be here. Guys, we are at the end. Wait, we found a swimmer. We don't need a swimmer. We get +5 wins. I want this one next. 3 trillion, not that. Take it. Come on, make money fast. Bro, we're already at 3 trillion. Take this. I think we've now. Bro, too fast. We're already at 1 trillion. Oh my gosh. Oh my days. Oh my gosh. This is so fast right now. We're so fast. The next pickaxe we get at is 8 trillion. Yeah. It's a unicorn pickaxe. Unicorn. What's that? 19.12k cash. I don't need it. Bro. Okay guys, I'm gonna end the video. So that's it for today. I hope you liked the video. And bye guys, meet you in the next video.